Hi everyone, this is Abdul Wali and this is the fourth part of AutoCAD complete course. In this part, I will teach you a hedge command and I will teach you join command. You can say this join and modify break command, and as well to create the lines and layers, and also to change the properties of line, that how can we draw the center line, and as well the section line, and how to change the width of the line or other properties of the line. You can see this line, and I will make at the end of this video you will be able to draw this center lines. You can see for this plane, this section line, and as well this hedge command. You can say this hedge, to use hedge, and hedge is very usable for elevation. So now I simply, just for your practice, you should here, and also you can hit this wall. Let's start from this hedge command. You can see this hedge command, it is very easy to use hedge, but before to take this command and use it, you must sure that your boundary is close. So hedge command can work for close boundary. It cannot work or cannot use for unclosed boundary. Like you can see there, it is a rectangle. You can see now I have drawn. Simply click on this hedge command and come here, click on it. Now you can see hedges used, but whenever you use hedge for unclosed boundary, so it will not work. Let's you can see this, I want to draw this rectangle by polyline. Now you can see this is also rectangle but not close here. If I click on this hedge command will not work here. You can see this is hedge command, and simply click here. Now you can see this the CU to a closed boundary cannot be determined. So your area should be closed. You can see now the specify these 2 points that these are not close to each other. So now click on this hedge command. You can see this hedge command. Now different options are available here. You can select the this hedge pattern. You can see this is pattern gradient is also available like this, and also solid object to give the color or solid. So in this solid here different options are available. Whenever you want to draw the elevation of your whenever you want to draw the elevation of your 3D, you can, or your plane, so this all use. So now you can say it is a 2D wall plane. Let's click on this, select this option. Now come to this, now I want to give this hedge to this walls. You can see, and simply click here. Now you can see this walls, this lines given to this section, and after that come click here and click here and here. Now you can see all sides of walls are completed. After that simply press the space to finish the command. Now you can see you give this hedge to this wall, but if you want to change any properties of this hedge, you can simply select this hedge, click on it. Whenever you take this command and click anywhere, it will consider one hedge. And now you know that I clicked many places here, so it is considered one hedge. And simply click on this hedge. Whenever you can say it is selected, and after that right click and then come to this hedge hidden, and simply click on it. And here different options are available. Simply if you want to increase or decrease this lines scale, so give the scale to, now I want to decrease it. simply increase that scale. Let's say it should be 3 and scale should be 3 and press OK. Now you can see it is decrease these lines and away from each other a little bit. And after that you can use this hedge, same hedge from this. Let's select this pattern, gradient, or you can select this solid and simply click here and click here. Now press space to finish the command. After that select this hedge. You can edit any properties here. You can change the color of this. If you want to select any color here, you can select, and if you want to go to more color, here more colors are available. You can see these colors. Let's select this and press OK. So now in this part I would like to teach you join command. Join command is very important. A join command used whenever you want to join two lines. So it is easy. Simply select all your lines to join. Let's start from this line command. You can see here two lines are here, are two on. One line is this, and third line and fourth line. Press enter. Now you can see here three lines are present. One line is one line, two lines, and this is the third one. And whenever you want to join it or combine it, how you can, so to combine this line or join this line, so we use join command. Simply type join command, join, click on it. Now select these lines, the lines which you want to join. I have selected this three line and press enter or right click. Now it will be one line. If I click on it, now you can see it is selected as a one line. And another one is brick command. You can see brick command in this modify. This is brick at a point, and this is a brick. It means that brick at a point, to brick your line at one point, and this is, it means that brick your line between 2 points at a distance. Now to brick it, simply come to this modify and click on this brick. You can see this brick at a point. Simply click on it. Now select the object to brick. Let's click on it. Now where you want to brick your line, simply click there. You can see it is a midpoint. If you want to brick it at this midpoint, simply click here. If you want to brick it at distance, or you can type the distance, or simply click where you want to brick it. Let's click at this midpoint to brick it into two equal parts. Now you can see it is one line and it is the second line. And now I would like to draw this the section line. You know that whenever you want to show the section of your plane, so take this polyline command. You can see this polyline, and let's start from this point and come here, click here, and then click here, and then here. You can see it is polyline, so it is selected as one line hull. So if you want to increase, simply select here, and you can increase this size. And after that I will show it as a section AA. So now you can see this line is solid line, so it must show like a section line, or if you want to show the center line, you can show that. So to show that, simply select this line and come to this properties, and this click on this properties. You can see this properties, and now here different options are available. But now if I now you can see here only 3 options are available. All are solid line. So simply click on this other, new window will open, and then now you can see here only these 3 are available. So simply click on this load, and select here how many lines you want to include to your properties. So simply click on this, select it, and OK. Simple. Now you can see it is included, and after that again click on this load and come select, and let's click on it, and okay, click on load. Many types of lines are present here for your 2D drawing. You can select any of them. You can see this is center line, and close it now and simply come here. Now you can see here these hard lines are present and available to use. Simply click on this line and select and click on this any of them. Let's click on this type. So now you can see your line is in that form. If your line shows like this, you can see this again. Then also, if your line shows like this a solid line, whenever you zoom it, then it will be visible that it is which type of line. So it is easy. Simply increase the scale of it. Select this line and right click, then come to here this properties. You can see, and now you can see the line type scale, this line type scale. So just increase it. So let's say it should be 5 type 5 and press enter. Now you can see your line is visible. Simply now you can see this is your section line or other. Now it is the scale is increased, so lines are so I would like to select it should show a small. So then you should decrease your scale. Simply select it and then right click and click on this properties and come to here and select the scale and decrease it. Let's say it should be 3 and press enter and simply close it. Now you can see it is visible. Simply deselect and type here A and A section AA. Let's to select it, type DT for text, DT and press enter. Specify it start point and here end point and right it should be A section AA. Simply type A here and also click here and A here. Now if you want to delete this, you can delete this H. Simply select it and right click and simply click on this erase. Now you can see it is deleted. And after that, you know that a center line to show that center line to this walls. So you can see this line command. Take this line command, it is also very easy. And let's start from this midpoint, draw one line here. Ortho must be on and come here and click at this in this point. Simply click it and press enter. Then after that take this offset command. I will use this offset command. You can see this offset and offset distance. Here you can see now I want to, it should be at this midpoint. So the offset distance now it should be 4.5 because the thickness of this wall is 9 inches. So it should be 4.5 and press enter and then select this line and offset to this side and then press enter to finish the command, offset command. And after that you know that this line, so it is center line, so it should be go upward side, it should be lengthy. No, so simply select it and go to this side. Now you can see it is increased and again select at this point, click it simply and come down. R2 must be on at this situation because it will conformly vertically. And after that draw here by the same press and take this offset command and type this offset to this side. So it should be, you can say this distance is 14 feet and 3 inches, so 9 inches we should more increase. So it will be the distance between this center line to this center line, it is almost 15 feet. So type 15 feet and press enter. Now offset it to this side. Now you can see it become, this line become to the center of this wall. Simply click to this side. You know that this distance between these 2 points, it is 14 feet and 3 inches and 4.5 inches in this side from this center line to this 4.5 and 4.5 to this side, so it will be 9 inches, and 14 feet 3 inches is this, and 9 inches, totally it will be 15 inches. Or simply draw at the center, and after that again offset to this side. Take offset command and type offset distance. Let's say it should be 13 feet 14 feet and 3 inches, 14 feet and 3 inches, and press enter. And after that select this line and offset to this side. This distance between this center to this center, it is 14 feet and 3 inches. And after that select this all lines and come here and select this center line. You can see the center line, and deselect all. Now you can see it is show is a center line. And you can draw to this side as well. After that again come to this, take this line command and specify it, this corner is your first point and this corner is your. Simply come outside to this outside and click here and press enter, and then again select this line and select this corner and go out to this side as well. And press enter to deselect. And after that take this offset command and type 4.5 offset distance. You know that 4.5, because this wall thickness is 9 inches, so it should be offsetted by 4.5. Simply click on it. Now come down, offset it and press enter, and then select this line and delete it. And then after that again offset, draw here one line as well to this wall to show the center line of this, and by same procedure. You know that in some drawing they consider this center line outside from the wall, and in some plans you will see that it is fixed at this point. To fix it, simply click at this point and come here and click it on this wall point. Now you can see it is inside, completely inside to the wall, and select this as well and come here and select it this wall. Simple. Now you can see your center lines are in the inside the wall. And I already explained this trim command. You can see this trim, and you can use whenever you want to draw. And let's remove this portion and as well this portion of this line. Now you can see these two center lines are completely from center to center, they are combined and joined to each other. And follow the same procedure for all other lines as well. And you know that now I would like sometime the room size, in some planes they consider from entire this corner to this corner. In some places they consider from center to center. If you want to consider from center to center, so simply delete it. Now you can say I would like to delete it, and take this dimension command and simply select this center line which I break down at this point, or select at this point and specify this is another point, or simply click on this break this center line and select it. Now go upward side. Now you can see this is from this center line to this center line, this distance is 14 feet and 3 inches. Let's click here, and after that if you want to select this part, you can see the distance between from this center to center, it is 15 feet. Simply click here. Dear friends, if you are interested in to draw 2D and learn more about it and to practice it, I've given the complete video link in the description, and go there and watch that part as well. You will be able to draw complicated house plans. So I request you to subscribe my channel, and again thank you for watching.